SEO can be divided into two main categories: on page and off page. Both categories are crucial in improving your website's ranking. A website with poor on page SEO but perfect off page SEO won't rank as well as a website that is fully optimized for both. On page and off page SEO are not the same things. Let's define what each is with a few examples and how to optimize them. Let's start with on page SEO. On page SEO, also known as on site SEO, refers to the tactics you use on your website that affect your search engine rankings. It's stuff that you have control over and can change on your own website. Here's a list of the most critical on page SEO factors. Let's discuss them one by one. The first one is title tags. Title tags tell visitors and search engines what the given page is about. It is important to insert your target keywords to your title tags and limit them to 55 to 60 characters, including spaces, to avoid being truncated. The second one is meta description. A meta description is a short paragraph of text that tells search engines and website visitors what the page is about. This should also contain your target keyword and should be limited to 135 to 160 characters. The third one is headings. Headings are the titles you give your content. Make sure your H1s are limited to one per page. All other headers should be heading 2 or heading 3, heading 4 onwards. Using headings help users and search engines to read and understand text. Here's a framework of what it might look like. Fourth is search engine friendly URL. Below are examples of search engine URLs. Which one do you think is a search friendly one? If you said the first one, you are correct. URLs should also contain your target keywords if possible. Having an SEO friendly URL structure also means that it can be easier for others to promote your site. The fifth one is alt text for images. Image alt texts are the text that appears when images are not displayed on your website. They are in fact used by screen reader software to help blind internet users understand the content of your images. Similarly, it is also used by crawlers to understand the image. For each image, it is important to first describe them in 8 to 10 words, and second, to include your target keyword where it sounds the most natural. Sixth is internal link. Internal link is a link that points to another page on the same website. They are useful because, first, they allow users to navigate the website. The second, they help spread link equity or ranking power around your website. The last is page speed and responsiveness. Google wants to help its users find what they are looking for as quickly as possible to provide the best user experience. Therefore, optimizing your pages to load faster helps your site rank higher in search results. To analyze your page speed, use Google's free tool called page speed insights. And to know if your website is mobile friendly, use Google's mobile friendly test tool. You'll find the links to the tools in the description. Now, let's define off-page SEO. Off-page SEO is the actions taken outside your website that impact search engine rankings. You have less control over these. The biggest off-page SEO factor is the number and quality of backlinks to your website. If you want to know more about backlinks, please check out our video. The link is posted in the description too. Here are some ways you can build links. The first one is by sending outreach emails to bloggers or influencers in your industry that encourages them to link to your website. And the second one is by creating valuable content that people may want to share or link to. I hope you learned something today. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See ya!